Hello everyone. Today I will tell you all how to use a spelling and grammar feature and thesaurus feature in MS Word. These features are very crucial for us. It helps us to review our document and we can check the spellings and we can also check the grammar of our sentences and we can also find out meanings. So let me tell you, these features are available on the review tab. You can see there in the proofing group. I'm going to write some sentences here. I will write here, I live in India. Okay, so I'm typing I live in India. What I'm going to do here, I will be writing the spelling of India wrong. Okay, so what you will see there, you will see that uh, under the spelling which is wrong, under the word which is wrong, there will be a red wavy line. Okay, as you can see that the red wavy line has come that under that word. This word is not correct. What you can do, if you don't know the spelling, you just select the word and go to spelling and grammar. In the spelling pan you can select the correct word there. Second word is India. Double click and click on yes, and spelling and grammar has been corrected by the word. You can see that your word has been corrected. Now let's type another sentence. See what you see here, whenever you write something wrong also, automatically whether to it has to be done in capital or small, word automatically adjusts that. Okay, next is India is a versatile country. So what I'm going to do, I will write the spelling of the country wrong here. Okay, so you can see the country spelling is wrong. So if you don't know the spelling of country, you want to get it confirmed, select the wrong word, go to spelling and grammar, select it and click on the spelling and grammar. The spelling and grammar pan at the right window will appear, and from there you can find the correct word. Then after, word will correct it and you can see that the corrected word is in front of you. Let's talk about the thesaurus feature. This is a great feature of Word which help us to find out the synonyms of the different words. Okay, suppose if I type here good, if I want to know the similar meanings of good, I can go to word, I will select the word which meaning I want to find. Then after, I can click on the thesaurus option which is available in the proofing group of review tab. You can see at the right side thesaurus window is open, the pan is open. You can find several meanings are there. Decent, dressed, glad. Okay, let's go back and let's find out it again. Okay, so many meanings you can get. Let's select the good again and let's go to thesaurus. Several meanings you will get, such as decent, respectable, moral, suitable, blameless. Several meanings. These words, it's not easy words. These words you may not get somewhere in the dictionary also. Okay, so these words are available there, and you can utilize these words. These words will help you to make your sentence even more attractive and stronger. Okay, so let's type another word and let's see. Let's type universe here. We can find the different meanings of universe with the help of thesaurus feature. You can see there cosmos, world, creation, life, space, earth. These are some similar meaning to universe. So in this way you can utilize the great feature of Word, that is spelling and grammar and thesaurus. These are going to help you a lot into the development and improvement of your document. Okay, so I hope this video is useful to all of you, and if you like it, please subscribe and share it. Thank you everyone.